Hey guys, Phil here with BLP3 Motors, and today we're actually going to be doing an install of the smoked side markers on the Civic hatchback. I've got the smoked side marker here, and then we've got the amber bulbs. Pretty excited about this, but let's go take a look at the car first before I start to do it. So here is the, well, let's get out of here. So there is the normal side marker, the orange, and I want to do more of a red, blue, or sonic gray, and kind of black theme, and so these kind of stick out as like a sore thumb, so we're going to change these out. Now the way to do it is, can't see if you could tell if you see it, but there are two screws here. We're going to pop these screws out, and then this thing pops out. There's a lip in the back. We need access to it. So we removed the side marker, and we made sure the amber light's working, and it is. Alright guys, so the install is done, and man, it does look sexy. I am so glad that I did that. The amber lights look great. Now I haven't seen what it looks like at night. I'll probably take a shot later in the day. Right now it's only like 3 o'clock. But I just want to give a shout out to Sooner Garage. He's another YouTube channel. He's actually another Oklahoma Civic owner. He's got this really sweet white manual hatchback sport. I think it's sport or sport touring. But I totally saw this install video from his channel, and I decided that I had to do it on mine. The smoked side markers look friggin' fantastic. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you on the next one.